Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, say happy Sunday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. But without wasting your time, let's get to start today. So, if you're going to church today, you need to pray for your marriage, for your relationship. The devil is working overtime to destroy what is good, guys. We almost lost a few marriages because of Limpopo boy and that married woman Matidi. So guys, because a lot of men were triggered by the situation in Limpopo boy. Some of them, they were saying they're not gonna get married. Guys, please stop it. If you already send a letter to your girlfriend's family, go out there and get married. Married is a beautiful thing, trust me and believe. So anyway, guys, as we all know that 6 days ago, Limpopo, he was caught sleeping with a married woman, and he was trending. He decided to take a break on social media. He started blaming about Skomoto. He was doing all the shendi, trying so hard to prove the point, and people were like, you need to take accountability, boy. He finally released a statement in South Africa. They were like, you know what, we understand, we're gonna forgive you. Well, on the other side, the married woman, ever since she was trending, she was busy posting, acting as if with her husband they are fine, they're doing so well, they don't care about social media. One thing was social media, when you're on the wrong side, don't act smart on social media, guys. You know very well what you did was wrong, and you want to act as if the people, they don't see what you did. Please, it's Umatili. So she acted like, you know what, you guys are the problem, you're jealous of our marriage. No, you were sleeping with another man. We are not jealous of your marriage. So yesterday she posted a video. She was crying. She didn't say anything, I think for 9 minutes, and people are asking themselves, what is going on? Are you crying because you're no longer trending? Because these people, they were enjoying with her husband while they were trending, guys. She was busy promoting herself. She was busy posting. Now that, you know what, the fame, it is gone, you want to cry. Now you can see what, yeah, okay, what I did was wrong. So on the other side, Limpopo, he's busy, guys. He's saying he cannot wait to go to Swaziland and Russia, guys. Umakazi also commented on Limpopo boy to say, hey, welcome back, Wena, don't do what you did again, guys. It seems like he has learned his lesson, guys. We forgive and forget, as long as you can see who's no, man. Take accountability. We don't have a problem in South African. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself.